Done as per our discussion earlier today. This is Cadillac CTS, and it is automatic, but you can also use it as a manual, as a stick, and that's one particular feature I like about the car. So let me just demonstrate to you how it works. Once the ignition is on, you put the car into drive, you drive in the car, you need more speed, or if you want to use it as a manual stick, all you just have to do, if you look at this angle, there's an M minus, M plus. You pull it to the side and pull it backward, and if you look at the screen, it shows you manual, it shows you gear 1, and if you push it further, it changes into 2, and it can go up to 5. It will give you more speed, more power, especially if you want to overtake a car, or if you just want to use it as a manual stick. Thank you.